Introducing the Skmei 1328, inspired by the iconic Casio Classic B640W. Hey there, folks. Welcome back to the Frugal Watchbox channel. Today, we're unboxing something special, the Skmei 1828, paying tribute to the timeless Casio Classic B640W. Let's jump right in and see what's inside this package. So, here's the deal. This watch only sets you back about $6.75, so don't expect any fancy packaging. Because it's such a steal, the packaging is pretty straightforward. Just a layer of bubble wrap to keep it safe. Let's unwrap this beauty and hope it's all good inside. Phew, looks like everything's intact. Crisis averted. Now, let's breeze through the user manual. It's short and sweet, with instructions in English and Chinese. Everything you need to know about the watch is right here. Next up, we've got the Skmei watch tag, but thankfully it's not attached to the watch this time. Back to the watch itself, it's a real looker. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's peel off the plastic wrapping and that pesky blue sticker. Now that that's done, let's take a closer look at this beauty before we dive into the details. Wow, what a stunning watch! It's got a sleek black-coated stainless steel bracelet and a matching black ABS case. Let's peel off the protective sticker on the case back to get a better look at the stainless steel backing. Now, let's talk dimensions. The case diameter is about 35 millimeters. The lug-to-lug distance is around 39 millimeters. It's about 10 millimeters thick. The lug size is about 18 millimeters. And it weighs around 38 grams. This watch is super easy to use with buttons on the right for start and reset. And buttons on the left for light and mode. The case feels sturdy, but only time will tell how durable it really is. You can't miss the Skmei logo on the dial. It really stands out. And below that, you've got the date, month, and day in big, easy-to-read digits. Plus, there's an AM and PM indicator for extra convenience. At the bottom, you'll find large, easy-to-read hour, minute, and second markers. Unlike the Casio B640W, which can handle 50 meters of water, this one's only good for 30 meters. Still not bad for a $6.75 watch, though. The bracelet says it's stainless steel, but it feels a bit flimsy and rattles a bit. But hey, for the price, we can't really complain.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day.
And once again, no Skmei logo on the clasp.
Way back a year ago, I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright.
Oh well, but the case back looks nice and sturdy, with markings for water resistance, model number, Skmei logo, and battery code. Just like the Casio, there are 4 screws keeping the case back in place.
As they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day.
This watch has a bunch of cool features, like a 12-digit LCD display, daily alarm and hourly chime, a chronograph, selectable 12/24 hour formats, and a date and week display with an electroluminescent bluish light. There's a protective sticker on the dial that I haven't removed yet. Let's just leave it on for now. Check out the Skmei 1328 next to the original Casio B640W. They're pretty similar in size and design, right? The thickness is almost identical too, I'd say. The only differences are the water resistance level, price, and quality. And that blue backlight? It's pretty sweet, rivaling the amber one on the B640W.
Back a year ago.
Let's try this little guy on my 6.5-inch wrist. Not bad at all. It's not too small, and I'm loving the matte finish on the case and bracelet. The Casio B640W fits just as nicely. In my opinion, this is a great budget-friendly alternative to the Casio B650W. At under $7, you really can't go wrong. And that wraps it up for today. Folks, thanks for tuning in and catch you next time. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing and giving us a thumbs up. See you soon.